Hi, traders, and welcome to our session. This is Nenad speaking, and as you can see, this is our trading webinar. So, quick trading ideas, guys. We already had a wonderful week behind us, and my ecsLIVE group came to another level of profits. We made historical high, of course, on our trading account, and the GBP CAD to GBP Australian dollar today was beautiful. So I will give you my quick trading ideas. We had a wonderful GBP Cad Trade, fantastic setup that I presented with my live trading group, and we got only 50 pips, but the market dropped for more than 150 pips. This is the way how it goes, but we are never greedy because we always protect our profits and we always take care that our consistency is unmatched and unparalleled in the world of manual forex trading. So far so good. Last week was beautiful. Everything is checkable here, guys. This is our ecsLIVE, and this is what I trade here. The account is again at historical high, and we are making beautiful trades here. If you want to sign up, guys, for ecsLIVE, of course, go to our website and sign up for a service. I will give you quickly the link. This is basically the link to check myfxbook. And if you want to become a member of our ecsLIVE, you go to services, forex and CFD, and of course learn more about ecsLIVE and come and join our my trading group. At this point, the only trade active that I have, I will give you the trade that I have is Cad Yen. I expect Cad Yen to proceed further down. This is the first entry with Cad Yen. I do it with very small risk, 0.3% of the risk, because, guys, when I trade, the biggest thing in trading is to effectively manage your positions in a proper way. What it means managing in a proper way? You always need to know how big is the risk that you want to take. You never take a fixed lot size. You always need to know where your stop loss is, where your entry is, and this is how you calculate your lot size per risk. So if my stop loss is 50 pips, I can put 10% risk in 50 pips, or let's say 0.5% in the 50 pip stop loss. So this is the crucial thing, and this is one of the things why I've been so adamant about trading and always on the profitable side. So the thing here, guys, is that Cad Yen I expect to reject towards 83.60, but of course we will see where the market will end up. My original idea was to short from this spot. I will still wait. If I lose the trade, let's say, then I will do one more short around these levels here with double the lot size. So I will use 0.6 lots. So if I lose, let's say, I don't know, 50 pips, I will only need 25 pips to cover for the loss. This is one of the strategies that I'm doing. It's called control martingale, and so far it is very, very good. The other thing that I have, I'm watching for long setups. Euro dollar, I will go long if the market drops in between 1885 and 2015. But for that, I need a clear confirmation on my system. At this point, market is rejecting this level, but I will go long only if the market goes in between 1995 and 2015. On the other hand, if I see a move up, I will be ready to short the market, of course, between 1985 and 1993. So if the market goes here, I will wait for shorting opportunity. Maybe we will also have a 15-minute setup in next, let's say, 1 hour. If the market goes maybe around this level and breaks 2060, I will have a long setup with stop loss of 40 pips 2020. So it all depends. But as I say, for a full overview of my trade signals and trade management, you need to sign up for ecsLIVE. So these were the setups for this market. On gold, I expect a rejection in gold. Gold is pretty bearish. So if the market moves on in between 1754, 1758, I will be looking to short, because this is very short market. And the final idea is, of course, the GBP dollar. GBP dollar is in between longs and shorts on 15-minute time frame. So we need to watch 4-hour time frame, which is way better than 15-minute time frame at this point. And my actually my short, sorry, is very, very clearly seen. I will be waiting for the market to retrace, let's say, between 14.20 and 14.50, 41.20 and 41.50. If it goes there, I will be looking for new short trades. Long trades will be probably executed around 37.30. So this is it, guys. This webinar is being recorded. It will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. Check it out. And again, guys, for clear entries, exit, trade management, and profitability, full profitability, sign for a full ECS live service. See you soon, guys. Cheers and trade safe.